Envy apple was first developed in New Zealand through careful breeding to combine exceptional sweetness, crispness, and beauty. Modern apple breeding combines desirable traits from parent varieties through controlled cross-pollination. Envy apple thrives in temperate climates where warm, sunny days and cool nights help develop sweetness and vibrant color. Seeds do not grow into identical envy apples because apple genetics vary naturally from seed to seed. Apple trees grow best in well-drained loamy soils with good sunlight and balanced soil moisture. Envy apple is commercially grown in countries including New Zealand, Australia, the United States, Chile, Italy, and South Africa. Growers carefully manage sunlight, pruning, and nutrition to produce the premium color, flavor, and crisp texture expected from envy apple. Our journey now follows every stage of envy apple cultivation from nursery trees to harvest-ready fruit. The success of every envy apple tree begins with selecting a vigorous rootstock suited to local growing conditions. The graft union typically heals within 3 to 8 weeks, depending on temperature and growing conditions. Over several weeks, the envy apple graft heals as new tissue forms a strong connection between the scion and rootstock. Consistent watering, sunlight, and balanced nutrition help young envy apple trees establish vigorous early growth. Deep, well-drained soil enriched with organic matter provides the ideal foundation for productive envy apple orchards. Proper planting depth and immediate watering give newly planted envy apple trees the best possible start. Active shoot growth begins during the first spring and summer after planting. Rapid root establishment continues during the first 1 to 2 years after planting. A balanced canopy allows the envy apple tree to capture sunlight efficiently while supporting future fruit production. Selective pruning directs the envy apple tree's energy toward healthy branches, better airflow, and higher quality fruit. As spring approaches, dormant buds awaken and begin developing into the blossoms that can become envy apples. Each spring, thousands of fragrant blossoms transform the envy apple orchard into the beginning of a new harvest season. Honeybees carry pollen between compatible apple blossoms, making successful envy apple fruit development possible. After successful pollination, each fertilized flower begins transforming into a tiny developing envy apple. Removing excess young fruit allows the remaining envy apples to grow larger, sweeter, and more uniform. Throughout summer, envy apples enlarge as the tree transports water and sugars into each developing fruit. When envy apples reach their ideal color, firmness, and sweetness, the orchard is finally ready for harvest. Harvest begins with careful hand-picking to protect the envy apple from bruising and preserve its premium quality. Harvesting during the cooler hours of the day helps maintain fruit freshness and quality. Every premium envy apple is visually inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards before leaving the orchard. Hours of careful harvesting reward growers with baskets filled with crisp, freshly picked envy apples. From above, the envy apple orchard reveals the remarkable teamwork and careful planning behind every successful harvest. Freshly picked envy apples are transferred carefully into padded bins to prevent bruising before leaving the orchard. The harvested envy apples are transported promptly to the packing house to maintain their exceptional freshness. Rapid cooling slows natural respiration, helping envy apples remain crisp and flavorful for extended storage. Quality control evaluates maturity, appearance, firmness, and the absence of physical defects. Successful harvest depends on timing, skilled labor, careful handling, and efficient post-harvest logistics. Modern packing systems are designed to minimize impacts that could bruise delicate fresh fruit. A gentle washing process removes dust and field debris while helping prepare envy apples for grading. Modern grading technology helps classify envy apples consistently according to size, color, and overall appearance. Final manual inspection ensures only the highest quality envy apples are selected for premium fresh markets. Careful packaging protects envy apples during transportation, so consumers receive fresh, crisp fruit around the world. Controlled atmosphere storage reduces oxygen and increases carbon dioxide levels to slow apple respiration. The cold chain must remain uninterrupted to maintain apple freshness during long-distance transport. After an extraordinary journey from orchard to store, envy apples are finally ready to be enjoyed by consumers. The dense, crisp flesh of the envy apple is one of the characteristics that has made this variety popular around the world. Envy apples provide dietary fiber, vitamin C, water, and beneficial plant compounds that can support a balanced diet. Envy apples provide vitamin C, an essential nutrient that supports normal immune function and healthy skin. Eating envy apples with the peel provides valuable dietary fiber that supports healthy digestion as part of a balanced diet. The remarkable crispness and natural sweetness of envy apple create a fresh eating experience that many consumers enjoy.
Whole fruits, especially apples like these, provide essential vitamins and fiber that processed foods lack.
Fresh envy apple slices offer a naturally sweet, hydrating, and satisfying snack for many everyday occasions. Envy apples contain naturally occurring polyphenols that contribute to their antioxidant properties as part of a balanced diet. Adding envy apples to balanced meals and snacks is a simple way to enjoy fruit regularly throughout the week. A healthy envy apple orchard supports many forms of wildlife that contribute to a balanced agricultural ecosystem. Drip irrigation can reduce unnecessary water loss by delivering moisture directly to the root zone. Behind every envy apple is the dedication of growers, orchard managers, and harvest teams working together throughout the year. Growing envy apples in both the northern and southern hemispheres helps provide a more continuous global supply. High-quality fresh market apples often command higher prices because of their appearance, texture, and eating quality. One reason many people enjoy envy apple is that its sliced flesh tends to brown more slowly than many other apple varieties. Sugar content develops through photosynthesis and proper ripening, not simply because a fruit is larger. From careful breeding to global harvests, envy apple represents the remarkable partnership between science, agriculture, and the envy apple begins as a carefully grafted young tree before years of patient cultivation lead to premium harvests. Every envy apple follows a remarkable biological journey shaped by nature, skilled growers, and careful stewardship. After harvest, apples primarily maintain quality rather than significantly increasing sugar content. A successful envy apple harvest celebrates months of teamwork, knowledge, and respect for the rhythms of nature. Each newly planted envy apple tree represents another opportunity to grow healthy fruit for future generations. An established envy apple orchard can remain productive for 20 to 30 years with proper care. By caring for today's orchards and planting tomorrow's trees, growers ensure future generations can continue enjoying envy apples. Every envy apple tells a story of patience, innovation, nature, and human dedication, reminding us that extraordinary harvests begin with extraordinary care.